Hey, it's Juliet from WTI. I wanted a skirt that was pretty neutral, would go with a lot of different things that I could dress up or dress down, and this skirt is perfect for that. One thing I was worried about was what size to order. I ended up going with a medium, and I'm glad I did, but it has a lot of give in the back of the skirt. So the whole back is actually elastic. And even if you're unsure about the size, it does stretch pretty well. And so it's also comfortable. So even if I gain a few pounds, this is still going to fit me no problem. I really like how it is not see-through, so you don't have to worry about that. Whether you are wearing a different color underwear, you can't see through this. And it's super comfortable and breezy as well. You can wear it higher up on your waist or a little bit lower down, and it's got the pockets. So this is a really cute and comfortable skirt that's super flexible, and that's my point of view.